Your next chapter starts here, where convenience, comfort, and connection come together. Welcome to Cedar Hill Landing. Located just minutes away from downtown Wilmington, Cedar Hill puts you close to everything. The shopping and dining in Leland, relaxing weekends in Wrightsville Beach, or riverwalk strolls on the Cape Fear. Choose from 4 beautiful floor plans: the Carrie, Callie, Hayden, and Wren, offering thoughtful layouts and modern finishes designed to fit your lifestyle. And the best part is, our amenities are coming soon. They'll feature a pool, a playground, sports courts, and so much more. It's perfect for connection, play, and relaxation. Call us today to schedule a tour. With stylish homes, future amenities, and a location that puts you close to everything, the only thing missing is you. Make Cedar Hill your new home today.